Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jose with One Way Lamb Service. So I'm eating chicken. So that means when I say I am eating chicken, that means I doing something hard. For example, look my clothes. I full of that crazy little things. Look my clothes. So what I'm doing right now, I'm doing a lot clearing, and this lot clearing is basically done with my Toro trimmer, and I really trust this Toro trimming more than I trust my Echo trimming right here. For some reason that one has the guard, so it kept me safe, from rocks falling into my face. But I'm talking about these crazy things. These crazy things are all over right now, since it's like, or they grow early on the spring, and basically like a month after they die, they get dry, and they are all over. So they get close, they get stuck on your clothes. So yes, what am I wearing? Black? Good question. I am wearing black upside right now because I'm going to throw away this. I'm not going to wash it. I'm not going to put it on my dryer because it's gonna get close with my other. I cannot even clean my face with these crazy clothes. This is gonna go on trash. So I am charging a good price on this property. It's gonna be maybe 1 hour job, and this is gonna be $5 extra charges for the owner because I had to dispose of my shirt. So yes, guys, that's what it is. This is my last property for today. It's a little windy, thanks God, on heaven, so I can have a little bit of breeze on my face, on my back, and that's how it's looking. So in the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna get my brush cutter attachment, and I'm gonna put it on my Toro, and I can do the big uh, wheel right there. It works really well. So guys, this is a short video. We'll see you next time, and stay away from these crazy things. If you have to do something like this kind of job, please get an old shirt, an old t-shirt, and charge it to the customer. Take a look. So that's what I'm talking about. All of that stuff right there, it needs to go, and some of that is gonna go on my belly right here. Okay, guys, see you later. Adios.